Hi, I'm Kalishuri, a teaching staff in Najmal Vidyavani institution. There was an outbound training which was organized by a school management for teaching and non-teaching staff in our school. There in Sky High Academy, which is located in 360-degree Reserve Forest at Anekatti, Coimbatore. It was really a wonderful training program, as an adventurous training program we could say. Mr. Gautam, who was an Indian ex-Air Force officer, was a trainee and he guided us a lot in this training program. We were allowed to settle there in a tent where we had learned too many experiences to adopt in different situations. There was wonderful games which has been conducted by Mr. Gautam sir, which had enhanced our unique qualities like planning, observing quiet nature and our dedication, where we can enhance our leadership qualities too.
Hello everyone, this is Nitya from the Department of English, Sri Najmal Vidyavani School. I'm here to share my experiences and few words on a training camp in Sky High Academy, Anekatti. We the teachers were taken on an outbound training to the Sky High Academy where we were actually brought out of our comfort zones. We never thought that we'd be actually able to climb the ropes or crawl through the obstacles and come out of the ziplining activity. So that kind of experiences actually boosted our confidence level and which gave us a hope that we'd be able to come out of anything successfully.
I would like to thank our management for giving us a different and new learning experience. Thank you.